Thank you very much. And my today's chemistry class. Bohr atomic model. Bohr atomic model is a modern model of atomic structure. Uh, at first, I'm memorizing about that Rutherford atomic model after discovering some limitation concerned with Rutherford atomic model. Niels Bohr introduces a new model that is called Bohr atomic model. Now I'm explaining the Bohr atomic model, the postulations of Bohr atomic model. At first, the conception of the energy state. In energy state, surrounding nucleus, electron will orbit. During its orbiting, in a specific energy state, electron will never release energy or absorb energy. Only then electron will release energy or absorb energy if and only if an electron jump to another energy state. If any electron jump to higher energy state from the lower energy state, it uh, absorb energy. When an electron jump from higher energy state to lower energy state, it radiate energy. What number of energy, what, which amount, and how much energy will be radiate or will be absorbed, that is depends on in an equation, and that is calculated by an equation E equal to hv. Here h is denoted for Planck's constant. Again, h is denoted for Planck's constant. Niels Bohr calculated uh, angular momentum of an orbiting electron in a specific energy state, that is which is calculated uh, through the equation mbr equal to nh divided by 2 pi. Here are denoted for radius, atomic radius, and I'm not mentioning that atomic radius. It's exactly it means the electron which is orbiting and what distance this electrons is maintaining from nucleus, or means the distance of electron from nucleus. Thank you very much, and you all are invited to my next class.